Yo, hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a FPS movement. And yeah, if you guys don't know what that is, it's pretty much where you can move around and walk and yeah, look around, whatever. So, it's in Unity. So, if you guys don't, oh yeah, anyways. So first off, you're going to want to make a ground, so like a cube, and then over here it says default. You're gonna want to go to add layer at the bottom, and then you're gonna want to make a layer and call it ground. Once you do that, make sure it's selected to ground, which there, now it's selected to ground right here. So there. Okay, so now we are gonna get our player. So we're gonna go to 3D object, capsule, because he looks like a player. So it looks like a player. We're just gonna change the size a bit. There. Looks good. Drag him down. There. And then when you click on your capsule, you're gonna want to name it play, or to do this, I'm gonna go down here, add component, put in RI, then a rigid body, click on that. The mass is gonna be 1.5, and then turn the none to the first one, and then on the freeze rotation, not the freeze position, the freeze rotation, you're gonna turn on all those. Okay, yeah, so yeah, anyways, once you do this, your rigid body's good. Link in the description for the scripts, the codes and stuff. So go get the player movement and the move camera. And then under player, you're gonna right click on it and then create empty. Call this orientation. And then right click on the player again. Create another empty and call this one head. So then you're gonna make another empty, not under, just click and then create empty. Call this camera, and then drag your main camera onto your camera. And then we're gonna move our player to 0, 0, 0. Move our ground down. Player's on 0, 0, 0. Now we're gonna move our camera 0, 0, 0. Main camera, we're gonna move that to 0, 0, 0. So now the camera should be in your player. Orientation should be right there in the middle of your player. Head, you're gonna move the head up to like maybe right about there. And I'm also gonna add a cube game. So where do we see? Okay, so I'm gonna do this. You guys can do this if you want. It's just doing it for fun because why not? There. Project, but make it black or something. Make it a smidge bigger. This, and then move it into the face. There. It's looking pretty cool. Now, you're gonna draw the cube I made. I'm gonna name that glasses, and then it will stay in the one position. Or if you move, it will just go out of the face. If it's in player, it will stay right there. If it's in orientation, it will move when you move. Like look around, it will move with you. So once that's in orientation, now you're gonna want to come here to camera, drag in the move camera script. I put in the link in the description. Then you're gonna drag your player into the move camera right here. Then you're gonna go to your player, go down here, get the player movement script, link in the description, and then you're gonna do this player camera, not the main camera, just the camera that we made. Orientations, the orientation, which has glasses. Move speed, I like it at like 2000, or we'll just do this because why not? And then you're gonna set the ground to, or the what is ground to ground, because we made that this ground. Then you're gonna go back to player, and then you can adjust this. You don't even jump at this, so I'm gonna make it 150 for jump, so then you jump like normal height. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's hurry and just play. I'll let it load. Okay, it's taken quite a bit. Okay, so look, we can move around. The glasses move around with it. As you can see in the shadow, the glasses move with it. What the heck? Oh wait, whoops. Yeah, that's a little glitch. So to fix that, let's go to game. No, not game. Console. No, scene. Then here, press play. Hold on. And there. Oh shoot, maximized. But look, we can move around, can jump. Yeah. Oh shoot, wait. Oh, I know it's a problem. Player, did we not? Okay. Yeah, pretty much. It should work for you. I just accidentally messed it up by this right here. I'm so confused. Oh yeah, it's on the rigid body. Right. Oh look, I forgot to put in the Z, that's why it wasn't working. So now, if we press play, see, I forgot the Z, that's why I was like falling over, but now now I'm gonna stand up straight because I turned on the Z. See? There. Move around, you can jump, you can look around. The orientation, you need that because look, now the glasses move with it. So yeah, I'm gonna end it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hopefully if it was helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.